is Robert from Nicxon International Solutions, and in this video we are going to talk about manufacturing plugin, which includes two separate plugins: bill of material and production. Bill of material is raw materials that we will use in our production in order to create our products. Let's start with the sample. We are coming to the manufacturing, boom, and create one. Let's call this one red color, for instance. And for creating the red color, we need the material of A, B, and C, for instance. Each one, for example, this we need 3 parts, we need 2, and here is only 1. If there is any note you would like to add, you can add it and create. This is the first bill of materials that we created, and we can use this one in our production in order to create our final product. Let's go to productions now. Create our production. We can select the product that we previously added to in our inventory. For example, we want to create the t-shirts. For creating this t-shirt, we need, for instance, red color or any other bill of material that we have. How many we want to create? 10 t-shirts. When do we want to create it? We want to start from tomorrow, 22, until, for example, 25th of November. If there is any additional note that you would like to add, you can add it here and create the order. Now our production order is ready for creating 10 t-shirts. Status is pending. If we go to view page, we can see the detail. The order number automatically generated for us. The product we want to create is t-shirt, is 10 pieces. The quantity, status is pending, a starting date and end date. Also the materials that we have to use in order to create this product. We can update the product, for example, in process. And if we go to our inventory here, as you can see, right now we have 599 in stock. When we complete this production and we mark the status of it as completed, our inventory will be increased based on the quantity of the product order. So we have 599, it has to be added by 10 now. If I click on completed, status is updated. If we go back to our page, we can see status is complete. If we go to our inventory and I refresh the page, as you can see, 599 becomes 609 units. Now our inventory is updated automatically by 10 items that we created from our manufacturing process. This is how the manufacturing and the combination of the 3 plugins, bill of material, production, and inventory, are connected to each other. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.